Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our maths class, Unit 9, Boxes and Sketches. In this lesson, students, we are learning about 2D and 3D shapes, which I will explain you about the cube, the cuboid. In our previous video, we have also learned about some of the different types of 3D shapes: prism, cylinder, cone. This types of shapes also we have studied in our previous videos. We have learned that a cube has 6 faces and a cuboid itself also has a 6 faces. Now students, in today's our video, we will study about page number 129 and further of your textbook. Now let's see what is there in our page number 29. Floor map. Students, what do you mean by floor map? Floor map is a 2D shape of any building, of any house, any room or any building which we want to construct. Before that construction, we are supposed to make a floor map of that. If you will be also having the floor map of your house, of your school also, we are having the floor map. Floor map is a 2-dimension figure or drawing on which we can locate different type of different things or different sides and doors and windows of your house. Let's see, this is a floor map of house. We can see here that in this floor map, here is a door, here it is a window, here another window is there, here also window is there, here also window is there. Total there are 4 windows and a door, and it is a floor map of a house. Let's read what is given here. For making a house, a floor map is first made. A floor map is a basic thing which is been made before construction of a house. The architecture, if you are who is a person who makes the drawing and the floor map of your house before the construction of your house. For making a house, a floor map is first made. Have you ever seen a floor map? Here is a floor map of Vibha's house. This floor map is of Vibha's house. It shows where the windows and the door are in the house. What does it shows? It shows where the doors and windows are there in the house. Now, which is the front side of our house? How many windows are there in the front side? Look children, here if you see front side, when we are considering about the front side, first of all we are supposed to think or look about the door. In our house, in the front side only we will have the door, and in the back side also we will have the door, but none of the house will be there where we cannot have the door in the front side, isn't it? So if it has been asked which is the front side, the first thing which you will put in your mind is, okay, front side will be where the door is. Here it is the door, so it is the front side, isn't it? Because at the back there is no door, so we will be not having any confusion. The door is in the front only, so this is the door. This is the door, and how many windows are there on the front side? So there is 1 and 2. There are 2 windows are there in the front side. So what is the answer here? How many windows are there on the front side? So there are 2 windows on the front side. 2 windows on the front side. Now look further, what is there? From the floor map we cannot make out what her house really looks like or how high the windows are. So we look for a special way of drawing the house which is deep. to show the length and width and the height. This is the deep drawing of house, which we can call as the 3-dimension figure of the house. Deep drawing to show the length, the width and the height it is showing. Here are 4 deep drawing of the house. How many deep drawing of the house are student? A, B, C and D. 4. Now out of these 4 drawings, we are supposed to identify which one is Vibha's house. What we are supposed to identify? Which one is Vibha's house. Now let's see the floor map again. See the floor map, just identify straight, then little bit curve, then like this type of floor map is there. In front, one window, one door, little bit angle is there, turn is there, and then again the angle and the straight line. So let's identify. If we see the A1, this A house which is given, this back portion is straight, where in Vibha's house the back portion was straight, then an angle of turn, then again an angle of turn, and then straight. So here some of the corner was been made, but here it is straight. So this A1 will be nominated. It is not there. Okay, eliminated. Sorry. Now let's see the B1. Now if you see the B, C and D, everywhere we can see there is a corner is given, an angle is given. So these 3 are looking at the same. Now let's see about the window. There are windows are there. Okay, here is also a window, door and window. Here is also window, door and window. Here is also window, door and window. And here is also window, door and window. So we are here like this. This is also. Now let's see here. In this house there is a window here, which should be here, but it is not there in the floor map. So this one is also not Vibha's house. So we will also eliminate this. Now the C and the D1, they both look at the same. If we see to the floor map, they also look the same in the floor map, isn't it? Everything is same. So how to identify which one is the correct one? They both are the looking correct. Here is also door, window. Here is also window. Same is here and here also. Back portion is also with an angle and curve. Here also it is there. Door is in front. Okay. Windows are also here. Also is one window is this. Here also is the one window and here also is one window. Now what we are supposed to do? Now students, if you can eliminate, see this. We can see that here the window is in the center of the wall. But here the window is little bit towards the corner, isn't it? And what is there in the floor map? In the floor map also we can see the window is nearer to the wall in the corner. So by looking at the floor map and the position of the window, we can come to know that this D1 is not correct. According to the floor map, the C1 is exactly as the floor map of Vibha's house. So which one is the Vibha's house? So see, this one is the Vibha's house. You are supposed to take it in your note, in your textbook, students. Understood? Okay. Why do the other 3 deep drawing not match the floor map? Discuss. We all have discussed, isn't it? What was the problem in all the 3? Why we have not considered them as the Vibha's house floor map? Because there was a change in all the 3s. Isn't it, students? We have discussed it. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Practice time. Here it is, practice time. Look at this floor map of a house. Make doors and windows on the deep drawing of the house. The deep drawing is given, and on the deep drawing we are supposed to make the doors and windows. But students, there would be little bit difficulty because we can only see the front part and the side part of the deep drawing. We are not able to see the back portion and this portion. So it will be a little bit difficult for us to draw the drawing. Then also we will try. First of all, we will draw the door here. you are supposed to draw it with the scale. Then in this corner the window is there, so we will just, I will mark it here that there will be window here. Here it will be window at the corner side. Window is there. At the back here also window is there. This is also window, isn't it? And here it will be a window, so I will mark it here. Because we are not able to see that portion, so I am just marking it on the roof. Okay. This way we are supposed to locate the windows and door in the deep drawing. Are there any windows you couldn't show on the deep drawing? Yes. Which are the windows which we are not able to show on the deep drawing? That window was this and this. So that we are supposed to circle it out. Okay. Try to make a floor map of your own house. Here what we are telling, we are supposed to try to make a floor map of this own. So if you want, you can try to make your floor map of your house. Understood? This will be your activity to draw a floor map of your house in your notebook. Got it, students? This is your homework. You are supposed to draw the floor map of your house in your notebook. Okay, so students, today we will do this much only. So you should know what is your homework to draw your house floor map, and you are supposed to draw it in your notebook. You are supposed to draw it with your pencil, and if you want you can color it out.